a student looking for some easy ways to make some extra money without spending hours grinding away at a part time job, then you need to try one of these 7 lazy side hustles for students. Unlike a traditional part time job where you have to go to work on time in order to clock in, with a side hustle, it's completely different and you can have full control over where and when you want to do these side hustles. So let's start things off with the first lazy but profitable way you can make money online as a student, and that's using the camera on your phone to take short videos of products that you've used and provide a review for your audience. There are plenty of nano and micro influencers that are doing this and are making thousands of dollars per month online by simply looking for things that they've purchased on Amazon and creating short videos and providing reviews for their audience to also go ahead and check it out. Now, if you don't have any money to get started with, TikTok is free, Instagram is free. Those are free social media platforms that loves when people actually create content around these things. And the beauty of it is that you don't need to have any money to get started with this. You can create your videos on your own time, and eventually people will start reaching out to you for brand deals. Now, this is a very lucrative side hustle that you can start, and because Amazon is a widely used e commerce platform, it is the perfect website to actually send your audience to, which means people are quicker to purchase items from Amazon because it is a trusted e commerce platform. And you don't need to have any money to get started with. Even if you don't have the products inside your home, what you can do is you can create videos by showing people the things that you're gonna purchase or the things that you actually like on Amazon and recommend them to it. And the best way to go about this is to sign up for the Amazon Associate Program, which allows you to promote their products. And when someone makes a purchase, you get a cut from that. And you don't need to spend any money. All you need to do is look for things that you love on Amazon, things that you've purchased, and recommend other people to it. Once they make a purchase, you will get paid. It is that easy. Now, if you're someone that doesn't like to show your face on social media, but you constantly use it on a day to day basis to scroll through other people's feed, you are letting money slip through your fingers daily. Not only don't you have to show your face, but there is a very simple method that you can use in order to generate people towards your social media without showing your face. And that is through creating text based content on platforms like Threads, Facebook, and Twitter. When you stay engaged on these platforms, it opens opportunities for people to visit your profile. Once they visit your profile, they're likely to purchase something from you if they like your message and what you're saying. Now, a great way to make money doing this is by selling digital products online. I have a complete guide linked in my description and also in the pinned comments on how you're going to do this without showing your face. It includes an all in one bundle deal that shows you how to set up your Instagram, how to post on Threads, and how to use social media overall in order to make money online without showing your face at all. Now, the aim of this is to create a community that will be able to purchase your digital product. Now, let's say you want to make $30,000 a month. Making $30,000 a month requires a digital product that sells 24 times a day for $41.67 a piece. And the beauty about selling digital products is that you create them once and you sell them repeatedly without making any changes. Except if the ebook is in the past, you can go ahead and update the ebook to change it to reflect the current date. Now, all of that is linked in the description below, so I highly encourage that you take full advantage of getting that ebook so you can learn how you can leverage on social media and start making money with text based posts. One of the laziest ways that students are making money this year is by selling anime artwork on t-shirts and bags. A lot of people loves anime, and what perfect way to actually put them on a t-shirt or something that they're wearing or even on a bag. Now, in order to do this, you don't need to have money or capital to get started. Using a free website like Canva and create your designs, and also using a website like Teespring will allow you to upload those designs on their products, and it will also give you opportunities to showcase your products to their visitors on a monthly basis. But don't just stop there. You can use social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram in order to drive traffic to your print on demand work. Now, if this is something that tickles your fancy and you are good at artwork or creating graphics, then you should definitely try this a lazy side hustle out. You can do this any time of the day, whenever you want, and wherever you want. Let's say you are a student that's getting a lot of high grades in school. You can actually turn this into a gig in the afternoons by offering tutoring to other pairs at your school. Now, if you are someone that's looking for alternative ways, I will highly recommend using sites like tutorme.com, VIPKid, or Preply. These are all platforms that you can use to make money online as a student. Most of your clients will be students like yourself that are looking for help in tutoring for math and also to learn English because they are in other countries. So, if you're someone that is hazing math, English, chemistry, whatever it is, you can use that as a way to make extra money in the afternoon or even late at night because some of your clients might be in another country, which means that you have the opportunity to work in their time zone at their convenience and also at your convenience. Now, a teaching gig pays up to $30 per hour, and depending on the platform, you'll be able to get started right away. Some platforms require you to provide a TESOL certification, but this can also be obtained easily online. I'm going to leave a link to that in my description below. Selling your gently used clothes on Facebook Marketplace or even on Depop is an excellent way for you to make extra money as a student. Now, these clothes that are literally sitting in your closet. You're not wearing them, so it's highly recommended that you make a couple of dollars off them. What you can do is create a listing on Facebook Marketplace, take clean photos, and list the product at a cheap cost. In no time, those products will be gone once you have it set at the right price. And it doesn't have to be clothes, it could be other things like sports rack, maybe a golf rack that you have, maybe an old gadget that you are no longer using. I've personally sold a couple of items on Facebook Marketplace, so I know that it works. And as a college student, I know that it could work for you. So definitely look into listing some items on Facebook Marketplace that you're no longer using and ensure that you look at the marketplace to see if there are other products similar to yours so you can offer yours at a competitive price. Dog walking is an awesome way for students to earn money without sacrificing too much of their time, and it's super great if it's that you are a lover of animals. The average dog walker makes about $28 to $40 per hour, which means you can earn a quick $100 in a day if you're doing this early in the morning and late in the afternoon. A lot of pet owners really don't have time to walk their dogs, so it will be a good opportunity for you to take that burden. And there are plenty of websites that you can use. Websites like Rover and Wag does have these clients where you can do their dog walking. However, if you see a need in your neighborhood, you can actually reach out to pet owners and you can offer to walk their dogs for an extra $30 per walk, and that will help you to make some money in the day. So that is definitely one way students can make money without experience, without spending any money, and also without spending a lot of time. If you're a student that's looking for a lazy side hustle that you can do outdoors, you should definitely consider delivering food for DoorDash or Uber Eats. All you need to do is download the app, sign up as a driver, and wait for your approval. Their approval process typically takes up to 2 weeks, and you'll be able to deliver food to their clients on your own schedule. And the fun part is you're able to make $500 plus per week delivering food for customers. And you don't need to have any technical experience. All you need to do is use the app, map the different places that you'll be delivering food to, and once you deliver those food, the customers will give you a tip for your generosity. Now, the typical hourly rate for DoorDashers or Uber Eats is between $20 to $25 per hour, and depending on the city, you can make more through tips. You can also make more if it's that you are handling these orders swiftly by taking them to customers. So, DoorDash or other delivery apps are a perfect way for college students to earn extra money while they're studying. Now, I'm sure there are plenty of side hustles that I've talked about on this channel, and I went ahead and put my playlist on here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, show me some love by hitting that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bells so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I'll see you in my next video.